Welcome back to Court TV Live. The manhunt continues right now for the woman accused in a deadly love triangle. Investigators say Kaitlin Armstrong was dropped off at the Newark airport on May 18th, just a day after Austin, Texas police got a warrant for her arrest. Take a look now at this surveillance video of Armstrong inside New York's LaGuardia Airport after she arrived from Austin on May 14th. A search of flights leaving Newark Airport found no reservations had been made in Armstrong's name. Armstrong is accused of killing Anna Mariah Wilson. Investigators say Wilson had a brief affair with Armstrong's boyfriend. Here's more information on this case.
Nice work, guys. Come on.
These cyclists working their way up the hill are participating in Gravel Locos, a 150-mile gravel bike ride located 2 hours outside of Austin, is where Anna Mariah Wilson was headed on May 14th.
After just 2 seasons, she rose to the top of both mountain and gravel racing in the nation.
She had kind of just started being at the top level, and at 25 years old, for sure, her career was just getting started.
But that promising future was cut short. Mariah Wilson was found shot to death a few days before that race.
On May 11, 2022, Mariah passed away in Austin, Texas, while she prepared to compete in the Gravel Locos bike race.
Now cyclists have gathered to remember the rising star, holding a short ride in her honor. According to court documents, officers responded to a residence where Wilson was observed lying on the bathroom floor, covered in blood. She was later pronounced dead. Investigators think she may have been the victim of a jealous rival. Wilson had dated pro cyclist Colin Strickland, who, according to Wilson's friend, had an on-again, off-again relationship with another cyclist, Kaitlin Armstrong. Police reports state that Armstrong had discovered Strickland was having a romantic relationship with Wilson, even though Armstrong and Strickland were still dating. Armstrong was so angry, Armstrong wanted to kill Wilson. Strickland, in a statement to an Austin American-Statesman reporter, said he only dated Wilson a week or so before he and Kaitlin reconciled their relationship, though he says he continued to see Mo at cycling events and in public settings. Armstrong, who was interviewed by police, rolled her eyes in an angry manner at this. On the day of Wilson's death, Strickland confirmed they were together swimming at a local pool and later grabbed a bite to eat. Armstrong, on the other hand, was not seen with Wilson that day, but the car she drives, a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, was captured on surveillance footage at the house where Wilson was staying. In her police interview, Armstrong made no effort to deny this and provided no explanation as to why her vehicle was there. Partway through this interview, Armstrong requested to leave and was allowed to do so. The suggestion that Wilson may have been part of a love triangle prompted the family to state that she was not in a relationship at the time of her death. But that has not stopped investigators from charging Armstrong with first-degree murder.
We're here today to say that the violence that took the life of Mo was not okay, and we are not okay.
Armstrong is considered a fugitive and is wanted by police. U.S. Marshals have tracked her movements from Austin to Houston to New York and are still looking to confirm her location.
We're searching to find out where did she go when she landed in New York. From that point is the unknown right now.
Her father has not heard from her, but still believes her innocence.
We would like to be left to be able to focus on Kaitlin's safety and proving her innocence.
So now there's a $5,000 reward for information leading to Armstrong's arrest. Of course, you can see the tip line for U.S. Marshals if you have any information on that. I want to bring in now former prosecutor, criminal defense attorney, host of the Diva Court podcast, Marsha Minot in Atlanta, Georgia. Marsha, are you surprised that this woman is still on the run here?
I am. Normally, the federal government is pretty good at tracking your whereabouts, especially in this day and age of technology, where you would be using a cell phone or using a computer, using your bank card to get the funds. So she may have properly planned by getting cash, because if she's using cash, it's harder to trace cash. But I would have expected her to have been apprehended already. She may have also left the country using someone else's name instead of hers, and that also is going to make it difficult to locate her.
Yeah, and so apparently investigators did question her shortly after the incident, but at the time, they weren't viewing her as a suspect, and they were questioning her in an unrelated matter, and some of her answers, it seems, made them suspicious. So, of course, members of the public may wonder, why didn't they just keep her then? But that's not how due process works, right? Can you explain that?
It is not. You cannot just take someone into custody based on your suspicions. You must, in order to get someone into custody, have probable cause to charge them with a crime. So if they had a probable cause to have arrested her for something, that's the only way under the law you can take someone into custody. Mere suspicion is not enough to take her to prison, because you could be facing, even though you're law enforcement, a civil litigation suit for false imprisonment.